Bonjour. Welcome to. What are we doing? Static IP routing. So, this is for you, Raymondo. You probably know how to do it now after you've done it, but quick recap. Let's see. Hopefully it's not too loud. So first things first, routers. So, enable conft, put host name, just so we don't get confused. So int s0/0/0. Let's move this over here. So we're in this one. IP add 10.1.1.1 255. So it's a /29/9. Remember, in the first octet, there's 8 bits. So we've got one left over. So the first octet's 255 because it's full. The next one, when you look at your, hang on, I'll put it up. Right, so we've got the table here. So subnets, the subnet mask is 9. Each octet has 8 bits. So 8 in there, 8 in there, 8 in there, 8 in there. So if it's 9 bits, 8 in the first one, so that's full. That's 255. Because all of that adds up to 255. In the second octet, there's one left over. That's this one. It's 128. So the subnet mask be 255, 128.0.0. What else do we need to do in here? Nothing. Oh yeah. Int g0/1. That's IP add 200.110.1. So now it's 27/27. Let's get our thing back up. So subnet mask of 27. That's 27 bits. Remember the dots. 8 in each of these. So you've got 8. So that's full. 255. Another 8. 16. That's full. 255. Another 8. 24. Well, that's full. 255. And how many left? 24, 25, 26, 27. So 3 bits. So you look at your thing here. 3 bits. It'd be not 128, not 129, 224. So /27 is 224. It's always good to have something like this. This is what I've got on my iPad. So I can look back at it. That's 255.255.254. Is it? Yeah. And that's all you need. So that's that interface and that interface done. Router 2. Enable conft host name R2 int serial 0/0/0 IP add 10.1.1.2 because we're on that network. It's a /9, so it's 255, 8, add one more, 128.0.0. Into gigabit 0/1, because I'm using the gigabit ports at college. It's fast Ethernet on the router. IP add 200.100.20.1. This is /28. That's 255.255. .255. So 28. On a different one now. So /28. So we've got our 8, 16, 24. So we need 4 more bits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 240. Dum. That's both of them. Yep. So we'll just hop back over to router 1 because we've got to do this clock rate. Int s or 28.0.0.0. Oh. The fuck? Oh, 128.0.0.0. So there's the DCEs on there. I don't even know what that means, what it's doing or anything. So I just know it goes there. Let's go on to our PCs. 200.100.10. So it's the PC. So it's going to be 2 because we've already got 1 on this interface. Let's put that in wrong. What was that? 224, was it? Default gateway is whatever's on this interface, on this router. 200.100.10.1. Is that 224? Let's get double check. Yeah. Do this one. 200.100.20.2. 255, 255, 255, 240. 200, 120.1. Right, so that's the PC's done. That's what I need to do. Rapid spanning tree mod rapid SPT. I just know that I'm doing that. I just don't 100% know what it's actually doing. Conft spanning tree mod rapid. Right. Anyway. Duh. See, it's one of those mistakes that I totally forget about doing. You're probably the same. Because I'm used to, once you plug a wire in, they open automatically, but nope. No shut. Int G0/1. No shut. Int sudo/. The no shut commands. So let's see. Just do some troubleshooting, see if it's on. Let's see if we can do ping 10.1.1.2 success. Do ping 10.1.1.1 1.1.1.1 success. So I can ping them too. Let's see if this PC can ping the interface. That's 200.100.10.1. Yep. Watch. I bet I won't be able to ping this PC because I haven't done the IP route. Ping 200.100.20.2. Yeah, this is what we're doing at uni. I did the bloody IP route wrong. We're going here. Get out of there. So IP route. Right, so what we're telling, what this command does, is we're telling this PC who wants to send packets and data to this network, it's 200.100.20. This router needs to know that any packets with the destination of this network needs to go through this interface. So IP route 200.100.20.0. No, you do the 0 because that's the network. You don't put the 1 in because that's for that interface. 255.255.255.255.240.
Right? Wrong.
10.1.1.2. What the fuck? IP route 200.100.20.0. .240. Going through 10.1.1.2. Why did that not work before? Oh, but too many. Anyway, so that's done that. You come across these indie up. So this router now knows that if it gets any packets with that IP range going onto this network, it needs to, any from that network needs to go through that port, which is that. And on this one, that's IP route 200.100.10.1.0 255.255.255.224 is going to come through 10.1.1.1. And if all has gone well, oh no, be able to ping 200.100.20.2. Oh, here we go. Must have been still doing something. And likewise on this PC, ping 200.100.10.2. And how quick was that? It's just because we don't remember these things. We know how to do it all, but we just totally went blank. My mind went blank anyway. I was like, what the fuck? I totally forgot that. Can't put IPs on switches. At first I was like, do I put no on there? No. But anyway, that